How to select English on Duolingo. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to select English on Duolingo. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to Duolingo right here, and from in there you can see this flag icon, so just click on the flag, click on course right here, and then from in there you can see that they will ask you this question. So in here, para sa mga nagsasalita ng Tagalog, so just click on this English right here, and this corresponds to English according to the flag. Then click on continue. Then after that, this will change the app's interface to Tagalog. So just click on change to Tagalog. And in here you can see that you can now learn English. So just click on this first. Click on magpatuloy. And then from in there, just click on magpatuloy again. And then this will load for a while, so let's just wait for it. And in here you can now just answer it from in there. So this man, just change and choose what corresponds this word to this. So just click on it, and as you can see, it is right. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to select English on Duolingo. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.